Hey guys, it's Katie with S&B, and today we're going to install part number 75-5155. So let's get started. Start by disconnecting the negative terminal on the battery. Lift up the engine cover and remove it from the vehicle. Disconnect the mass airflow sensor harness. Disconnect the crankcase vent line. Next, you're going to loosen the two hose clamps that are securing the tube. And then you're going to disconnect the clip that's securing the radiator hose to the tube, and then you can remove the tube from the vehicle. Remove the airbox from the vehicle. Remove the 4 screws that are securing the airbox tray to the vehicle. Once you've removed all 4 screws, you can then remove the tray from the vehicle. Install the tube seal onto the S&B airbox. Install the fender seal onto the S&B airbox. Install the airbox into the vehicle. Secure the airbox using the provided hardware. Remove the mass airflow sensor from the stock airbox. Install the MAF pad and gasket onto the mass airflow sensor, and then you can install it using the provided hardware onto your S&B intake tube. Tighten the hose barb fitting until it's hand tight, and then you'll take a wrench to turn it the rest of the way. If your vehicle comes equipped with a MAP sensor, you're going to want to take a 1/4-inch drill bit and drill this out, and then install it using the provided hardware. You're going to remove the CCV hose by pushing this tab over and then up. Install the large end of the coupler and the hose clamp onto the intake tube, and then you can tighten it down. Next, you're just going to set the filter into the airbox. Install the clamp onto the hose provided, and then you're going to install it onto the CCV port and tighten it down. Loosely install the clamp on the other side of the coupler, and then slide the other end through the tube seal into the filter, and then rotate it into place. Tighten down the hose clamp on the filter. Tighten down the clamp on the throttle body. Install the hose onto the intake tube and tighten down the clamp. You can cut it if you want to. Sorry. Remove the protective layer from both sides of the S&B clear lid. Okay. Install the lid seal around the lid. Install the lid onto the airbox. Reconnect the mass airflow sensor. Reinstall the engine cover. Reconnect the negative terminal on the battery. All right guys, so that's it. It is a super easy install, but if you have any questions or you just want to know more, you can always chat in on our website or give us a call, and I'll see you next time.